Hi all. So I'm here again with another exciting episode for my YouTube channel. So in these corona days we are not able to go out and visit places. So I thought of being inside and be creative, doing something interesting, including doing some DIYs on gardening equipments, on pots, or on plant holders, or front room decorating items, or something like that. So today I'm going to show you plant pot holders. How can we easily make plant pot holders? So last video we saw how can we make pots with white cement. Exactly using the white cement we are going to make plant pot holders. It's very easy. We can do it in very simple steps. So shall we move on to the video? Thing is, so first is white cement. We want. I am using Birla white cement for making plant pot holder. So this is the first one what we want. Another one what we want is a mold. I'm using a bucket for this. Another what we want is water. Then what we want is I am making plant pot holder. So for that holding that plant pot, we want some reapers. I am using reaper, but you can use any strong wood which is available near your house or any wherever you are. So I'm using this. So to give some extra strength, I'm attaching two. I'm using like this. So it will be like this. So it will be getting some more strength. So it can hold that plant pot. So this is what I'm going to use. You can use any wood available with you. Okay. It is better to use strong woods instead of this reapers. This is what is available with me now. So I'm using this just to show you how can we make easy plant pot holders. So before the process starts, we are using waste oil. This is waste oil. We have to just rub this waste oil onto the mold. Just like when we prepare idlis, we will rub oil on that idli. What is that? Idli maker. So as to take the idlis out easily. Like exactly like that. We are using oil on this, or we are going to rub oil on this mold. So we will start that process first. I'm going to pour some oil into this mold. So next is I'm going to pour this white cement into the mixer jar. I'm going to mix water into. I'm going to pour water into that cement and just check whether the consistency is correct or not. It will take some time to mix the water with the white cement. So take your own time to mix it properly. I think we have to pour some more cement into the mixture. So now the mixture is ready. The next step is to pour this mixture into that mold. So shall we do that? The mold is ready. We're going to pour this white cement mixture into that mold. So after pouring the mixture into the mold, I'm just doing like this. This is for taking the excess air out. Otherwise, air bubbles will form inside. It will create trouble. And the next step is reperfitting. This will act as the legs of this plant pot holder. Adjust it. We want only 3. After doing this, next we have to stick that legs properly. Otherwise, it will move here and there, and the whole alignment will change. So for that, I am taking a cello tape. I'm going to the cello tape like this. That's all. We fixed everything. Now we have to wait for 24 hours to let it set. Okay, so we wait for 24 hours. After that, we will take it and we'll do the rest of the things. Our plant pot holder is ready. See, this is in its raw state. Now we have to paint it so that it will look more attractive. So I created 2. So these are the 2. Now we will paint it and let's see how it looks after painting. So here is the painted version of my plant pot holder. Now let's keep 2 plant pots on both. So here is how it looks. Hope you like my plant pot holders. See, if you give a strong wood legs to these plant pot holders, you can even make it as a bench to sit, like a chair to sit. Something I wanted as 2 small plant pot holders, so I did this. If you want to make it more stronger, you can, instead of this low strength wood, you can use a very high tensile strength wood, which will give these holders more strength. Hope you like my video. Please keep watching and give your comments. Subscribe to my channel so that, and just press the bell button so that whenever I post new videos, you can watch it. You will get more ideas. Let's move together. Have a nice day. Bye.